On the eve of Jamaica's general elections, Shamela Pullen looks at politics and stress in this evening's health report.
Everyone feels stress from time to time, but not all stress is bad. Consultant psychiatrist Dr. Earl Wright says most politicians often deal with stress well because they are seasoned in the area and have gotten used to the lifestyle.
Most politicians' stress level will not be as high because they are extrovert as an introvert, and many of them will get a high. They feel good when they are interacting with people, and this makes them get into it much more, and you see it on the platform.
But that is not to say from time to time, stress will not cause physical and mental harm.
When it becomes bad is when they are not getting enough sleep, when they are doing long days, their exercise, their pattern of life has been disrupted. And if they have any comorbid problems like hypertension or diabetes, this can be exacerbated during the election period.
Dr. Wright offered this advice.
Sometimes you have to pull back and recharge your batteries before you go out again. And also the importance of having a good support system, people around you that will help you to keep on track and will help to alleviate some of the stressors and keep some of the stressful events from you.
Eating healthy, exercise, and getting adequate rest are also critical. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good.